National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin until 10:30 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Darlington, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darlington, Argyle, Wheeler, South Wayne, Fayette, Lamont, Gratiot, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, Calamine, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.